So stroll on a misty night, heart sore under Paris lights, and the feeling is strange as though we've been here before. It's coming to me now. I trip over stepping stones that lead to the deep unknown, but here you stand tall as Eiffel's tower, and every hour I'm deeper into love and Paris rain. I could drown inside this interlude of love and Paris rain. Take me now as I unfold my very soul unto you, my love. And every hour I'm deeper into love and Paris rain. I could drown inside